Hello everyone, welcome to Bytes and Wanderlust channel. In this video, I will discuss the topics related to what is class, what is object, and what are the environmental variables. Let's get started. First, we need to know what is class. Classes and objects are the basic concepts of OOPs that are used to represent real-world entities and concepts. It is a user-defined blueprint from which objects are created. Classes are having many definitions. We can use any one of them. It is a structured layout in Java used to generate objects. We can use any one of the definition. And it is a set of objects which share common characteristics or behavior and common attributes. Common characteristics or behavior. Characteristics is nothing but the behavior. And common properties or attributes. It is a basic concept of the OOPs. In the interview, they will ask what is a class and what is the object. You can tell any one of the definition from the above three definitions. And what does the class contains? It contains variables, methods, and main method, and a constructor, and interfaces, and inner classes. Inner classes is nothing but nested classes. Class is inside the class. We will see the structure of the class. Structure of class. First, we need to use the class keyword. C should be lowercase. Class name. And then open parenthesis. And then closed parenthesis. And class can contains the above mentioned variables or methods or main method, constructor, interfaces, and inner classes. Classes and objects are the not language specific because we can use the class and objects in the Python also. Let's see how the structure of the class is in Python. Structure of class in Python. We can see the syntax is class, class name, and the statement. Here we can write the body of the class. The terminology is different, but the functionality is same. These are the attributes, and it is a method. In Python, we can declare like this class and class name, and then colon, and then variables and methods. That's all related to classes. And the important thing is the first letter of the class always should be capital. The first letter of the class should always be capital. It is a coding standard. And what is the main method? Main is a predefined method. In the previous videos, I had written a Java class, basic Java program. Here you can see class hello public static void main string args. What is this? Let's go into the public static void main of string args, and then method body. We'll discuss the one by one word. First, we will discuss what is public. It is an access modifier. It makes main method access from anywhere. It makes main method access from anywhere. It means that we can call the main method from anywhere. Public is nothing but we can call it from anywhere. We can access it. And static. It is a keyword. If we declare the method as static, we'll no need to create the object. No need of creation of object. Object is nothing but instance. Here the public means we did not call the actually we did not call the main method. The JVM is internally calling that one. But in user defined methods we use public there also. If we use public, we can access it from anywhere. We can call it from anywhere. If we use private, then it is then we can call it from only that class only. And the next one is void. Void is a return type. It returns no value. No value is returned. It's a return type. When this public static void main method is executed, no value is returned. And main. What is a main? M should be lowercase. It is a special method. And JVM recognizes it as entry point. JVM recognizes it as entry point. And the next one is string args. What is the string args? It is an array of string objects. array of string objects. It allows the application to it allows applica- it allows application to accept any number of command line arguments. Accept any number of command line arguments. What are these command line arguments? We executed the Java program from the terminal, no, Java C, hello.java, Java hello. At that time, we will pass the arguments. Arguments are nothing but some values. We will pass those from the terminal. At that time, we will use this string args method. The next topic is object. What is an object? It is an instance of class. Many people say it is an instance of class. It's a simple definition. What is an object? It is instance of class that are created to use attributes and methods of a class. Methods of a class. And the another definition of the object is it is a basic unit of hoops and represents real life entities. It is a basic unit of hoops. Hoops is nothing but object oriented programming and represent real life entities. And the other definition is it is a memory or storage created part of heap area related to class holding instance members of a class. It is a memory or storage created part of heap area related to class holding instance members of class. We will create object using new keyword. Example, hello h1 is equals to new hello of here hello is the class name, h1 is the object. And in further detail, I will discuss it later. And next topic is environment variables. What are the environment variables? While setting the Java path, we had seen the environment variables, right? I will show you. Windows environment. Here you can see the edit system environment variables. What are that environment variables? The variables part of a operating system holding information about resources installed in the computer system. The variables part of OS. OS is nothing but operating system holding info about resources installed in computer system. It is nothing but we install a Java, no? The Java path location and didn't recognize the OS. We'll use the environment variable to recognize the path of the Java. So we use the environment variables, not only Java, any application. They are categorized into two types. Types of environment variables. First one is user variables. Second one is system variables. First one, user variables. The variables related to users are known as user variables. The information in user variables can be used by only individual users. The variables related to users are known as user variables. Info in user variables can be used by only individual users. They are nothing but the user variables. And second one is system variables. System variables. The variables are related to computer system are known as system variables. The information in system variables can be accessed by all the users in computer. The variables related to computer system are known as system variables. Information in system variables can be accessed by all users of computer. In computer, in our laptop, there were many users. This is about the user variables and system variables. Now I will show you the users. First we will go to settings. And then here we will go to accounts. Here you can see it, the user as administrator. And we can click on the other users. Here we can add the other users. This is about the users. Now I will show you the user variables and system variables. First, you need to go to, you need to type environment variables. Here you can see environment variables. Here you can see user variables for the and system variables. These are the topics related to user variables and system variables. For more videos, please do like and subscribe to my channel.